I'm Randy West. I'm the director of the National Center for Asphalt Technology, or NCAT. NCAT was established 30 years ago. Actually, it's a partnership between the National Asphalt Pavement Association and Auburn University. And we're really focused working with clients like DOTs, the asphalt industry, suppliers to the industry to make asphalt pavements more cost effective for the driving public.
We're here at the NCAT pavement test track, and it's our 6-month sponsor meeting. So we have representatives from 18 state DOTs here and FHWA and 2 private sector clients. We have a 1.7 mile test oval. We run 5 triple trailer trains in order to induce about 100,000 easels a week on our test oval. And we do that with fleet operations Tuesday through Saturday from about 5 in the morning until about 10:30 at night, using 2 shifts of drivers. So each one of our 5 trucks in our fleet runs about 680 miles a day in order to damage these experimental pavements. That's about 750,000 miles a year.
Hi, I'm Brian Wood. I'm the Executive Director of the Plant Mix Asphalt Industry of Kentucky, and we're down here in Opelika, Alabama. We're excited to be here. Kentucky, for the first time, has sponsored a test section here, and it's an opportunity for us to really look at the research, the innovation, the science, and the things that go behind actual paving operation. The sections that you see here are going to be described in more detail, but they include a coarser mix as well as a finer mix, and we're also looking at the longitudinal joint. We want to be sure that that seam in between the 2 layers of pavement performs as well as it possibly can and performs as well as the mat itself. So this will give us an opportunity to really look at those 2 things and judge the types of mixes and how they relate to the performance of the longitudinal joint.
I'm Robert Semones. I'm with the Kentucky Department of Transportation, Division of Materials, Asphalt Section. We are at the NCAT test track looking at Kentucky's sponsored sections. We have 2 sections, section 7A and 7B. 7A is our test section with a little bit coarser mix, higher gyrations, versus the 7B section, which is a finer mix at a 65 gyration. And the object is to compare the 2 sections and we want to see how the finer mix with the lower gyrations is going to compare to the test section in cracking and deformation. We feel like we're getting too much compaction on our mix is actually tearing up the aggregate in the mix as we try to get that compactive effort. So this is going to allow us to see how lower our compactive effort can be without tearing up the mixes and with us still getting densities on these mixes.